You can make super easy star earrings with the Artistic Wire Mandrel Set. This mandrel set is so handy to make all kinds of shapes. Today we're going to make some 5-point star earrings. And without further ado, let's get wired. Today's featured live wire is Lori. Thank you, Lori, for your wonderful participation in the 10-day scrap wire earring making challenge. Thanks for participating in the 10-day rings to make and sell challenge, the bookmark challenge, the bracelet making challenge, and many more. For the star earrings, I'm using the Artistic Wire Mandrel Set. I will take the triangle mandrel and pop it on the handle. Push it right in there and then get some 20 gauge German style wire. I'm using about 6 inches. I will hold it against the mandrel and push firmly with my thumb. We want to make some sharp bends, so hold it right at the corner, push, so it makes a nice sharp bend, and we need to make 5 bends. Rotate the mandrel, hold it firmly, and push. Keep going until you have your 5 bends, pushing it right in there so it's nice and firm, and then bend one and up. That will form the loop at the end. Remove it from the mandrel, and now we want to very carefully rotate it so it's in the position where it looks like a 5-point star. Just give each side a little push. And once you have that star formation, you could do any little touch-ups with your chain nose pliers. Make sure the wires are straight. Make sure the angles are nice and sharp. And we want to bring that end around to meet at the top so we can twist it around to form the star. So one wire goes straight up, the other one goes to the side, and use your precision round nose pliers to help that bend so it won't get distorted. Hold it firmly and bring the wire around. Give it a good little tug so there's no slack, and then we're going to bend it out and down, straight down, so we can put a bead in the middle. Pop on a 6mm miracle bead. These are my favorite beads. Flip it over, and then we want to hold it very firmly and bring the wire down so it goes to the back. Clip it with the nipper tool and then pinch in that little pokey end. Now we're going to have to make the loop at the top. Cut it to 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Take your round nose pliers, hold the end, and we're going to bend it out. We want the end to fit right in that little nook, and we're going to bring it around. Just rotate it, so we're going to make a centered loop. Bring it right into that little space and pinch it with the chain nose pliers. So there's your earring. And to make the hooks, I'm going to take 2 pieces of the same wire that's about 2 inches. Make the loops at the same time with the bail making pliers. These are the 6-step bail making pliers from Beadalon. I'm going to separate them, and we're going to push the wire straight up so it's a centered loop. Add a 4mm miracle bead. Hold it firmly and bend the wire out at an angle. Push it so the bead stays in place. And then using the bail making pliers, we're going to use a larger part of the pliers and make your hook. Looks cute with the little bead in there. To make sure they're the same size, you can line them up and clip the ends flush. Separate them. Soften the end with the burr cup tool or a jewelry file. Give the end a wee bend. Flip it around. Open it up and add your star. Close up the hook. Make any adjustments that you need. Make sure that bead stays down there. Miracle beads have a bit of a larger hole, so don't worry if it slides up a bit. It'll sit in place when you wear them. And there are your beautiful star earrings made with the Artistic Wire Mandrel Set. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Check out my scrap wire jewelry making ebook with all the templates and tutorials for the 10-day challenge in the description below the video. You can join my 10-day challenges Facebook group to participate in the next 10-day challenge. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.